Welcome, in front of me is Galaxy S25 Edge, and in this video I will tell you what to do if your device doesn't recognize your unlock pattern. So in such situation, the best decision would be to try and remember the pattern you entered the last time. And I really suggest you to take your time doing that because this might save you a lot of time and a lot of work in the future. And if you can't proceed with this step, you might also lose all the data from your smartphone. Now, if you really can't remember the password, then the other best solution would be to contact Samsung customer service and tell them about your issue, and they will most probably help you out with this problem and recover your device without any data loss. But if this option is unavailable for you too, then the only solution remaining is factory reset, and you basically have to delete all the data from your phone in order to regain access to it. And you can do it two ways. If you have Find My device enabled by Google or Samsung Find enabled on your device, then you'll be able to access your phone remotely using either Google account or Samsung account, and then entering your device menu and erasing all data from it remotely. This way you won't even have to do anything on your phone. But if you can't do this, then if you don't have enabled these features, for example, then the only solution remaining is to perform a factory reset using recovery mode of your smartphone. And if you want some help with this, we got an entire video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. And as for me, I think I mentioned everything I wanted. So if something I told you helped you, then consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.